us! Someone help us!
Burn them all!
First, let me show you something very interesting. There's a YouTube channel creating simple AI-generated videos, nothing overly complex, yet the results are absolutely incredible. Some of their videos have reached 4.9 million views, 3 million views, and 1.9 million views. Now think about that for a moment. What if I told you that you can create the same kind of viral videos, step by step, without stress? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process I personally use. It's simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you how to turn basic ideas into scroll-stopping viral content. Step 1. Generating viral video ideas. The first thing you need is a solid idea. So don't skip this part, it's very important. Open ChatGPT or any AI writing tool you prefer, because this is where everything begins. Instead of guessing what to create, use a proven prompt to generate viral video ideas instantly. Here's what you'll do. Copy this simple prompt instruction. Look at these 3 prompts and, based on them, give me 7 best ideas for creating short videos like that. Then include Prompt 1, Prompt 2, Prompt 3. Paste everything into ChatGPT and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll get multiple viral-ready ideas such as Spider Queen Ambush, Fire Ant Volcano Eruption, Praying Mantis Executioner, Beetle Tank Rampage, Sandstorm Survival Battle, Rescue Mission Under Siege, Dual Monster Clash, Ants in the Middle. Now, once your ideas are generated, pick the one that stands out the most. For this tutorial, I'll go with idea number 7. Now here's a powerful trick most beginners don't know. You can ask ChatGPT to expand that single idea into a full production plan. For example, simply type, "Generate image prompts and video prompts for idea number 7 in 7 scenes." And just like that, you'll get image prompts, video prompts. Everything is done for you in seconds. No stress, no confusion. Before we move to the next step, if you're learning something valuable, go ahead and like this video and drop a positive comment. This helps the video reach more people and lets me know you want more tutorials like this. Step 2. Creating your images. Now that you have your prompts, let's bring them to life. Head over to Flow AI, click on New Project, and make sure you select Image Generation. Set your format. For shorts, use 9:16 vertical. Then select Nano Banana 2 as your model. Now, paste your first image prompt. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Your image will be ready, clean, professional, and eye-catching. Download the image, then go back to ChatGPT. Copy the second prompt. Paste it into Flow. Click Generate again. Repeat this process for all your prompts. And just like that, you'll have all 7 high-quality images ready. Step 3. Turning images into videos. Now let's animate everything. Stay on the same platform, Flow AI. Here's what to do. Click on the 3 dots on your image, select Animate, switch to video mode, set it to frame mode, choose 9:16 aspect ratio, set output to 1 video. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy your video prompt, paste it into Flow, click Generate. And just like that, your static image becomes a dynamic, cinematic video scene. Preview your result. Once you're satisfied, download it in 720p quality. Repeat this process for all your scenes. It's fast, simple, and before you know it, you'll have a complete cinematic video. Step 4. Final editing. CapCut, or any editor. Now it's time to bring everything together. Open CapCut, or any editing software you prefer. Import your video clips. Arrange them on the timeline. Add smooth transitions between scenes. Keep it clean and engaging. If you've watched up to this point, go ahead and subscribe and like this video right now. Now let's play the final result.